Imagine sitting in heavy traffic, glancing at the driver next to you, a random stranger lost in their own world. Suddenly you realize this stranger has a life as deep as yours, full of childhood memories and hidden fears. They might be replaying an old argument in their head, or listening to a song that reminds them of someone they love. In a few seconds, you will drive away forever. You will remain a mystery to each other. This is Sonder. Every person you pass is the main character of their own story, while you are just an extra in their background. It hits you in crowded places, where the number of human lives becomes impossible for your brain to process. Your mind tries to grasp the scale of it all, but it eventually gives up. The human experience is too vast. Sonder is a heavy, beautiful truth, a connection we feel in the quiet moments of our shared existence. Have you ever felt a deep pull toward a place that no longer exists? This is Hiraeth, a grief for a home you can't return to. Even if you traveled back today, the version of the place you seek has vanished into the shadows of time. You feel it visiting your old neighborhood, seeing new buildings where your childhood playgrounds used to be. The physical location remains, but the soul of it is gone. You are mourning a time that felt like it would last forever. Here it strikes at sunset, casting long shadows of a warmth you haven't felt in years. A home you can't find on any map. It is a paradise that exists only in the deepest corners of memory. A home made of shadows and whispers. Now we enter limerence more than a crush, a state of mind bordering on obsession and deep longing. Your brain becomes a prisoner to thoughts of another person, searching for signs of love in every word or look. In limerence, you fall in love with a character you built in your mind, a version of someone that may not even exist. It is a mental loop replaying conversations 1,000 times, looking for hidden meanings in every silence. Now we face Kenopsia, the eerie feeling of a place that is usually busy, but is now abandoned and quiet. Think of an empty stadium after a big game, haunted not by ghosts but by the people who were just there. Without people, these locations feel like empty shells, waiting for a life that has moved on forever. Unnamed is a strange nostalgia for a time you never lived, a pull toward an era long before you were born. You feel it looking at grainy photos, missing a world you only know through books and old stories. We are part of a long human chain. The echoes of history vibrate in our hearts, making us long for the past. Onism is the sadness that you will never see most of the world. The frustration of being stuck in one body while you are here. Someone else is climbing a mountain or falling in love. You are missing it all. Excellence is the moment you give up explaining an experience, because no one truly understands your soul. Joyous is the bittersweet feeling of watching a moment pass, while you are still in it, knowing it will soon be a memory. These feelings remind us that being human is a complex and beautiful mystery. You are never truly alone in these thoughts. Thank you for wandering through these unnamed feelings with us. May you find peace in your own story. If these stories touched your heart, please support us. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep journeys. Until next time.